Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be playing the Poison Challenge, but
Dirt bike edition.
so let's see how this goes.
Okay, okay. Oh, Olivia.
I'm going to turn it off first and she's going to surprise me with her thing.
The surveillance room's a good room.
You ready?
I need.
She has to do the jump on the new jump without being scared. Has to
Well,
do the
just
jump
bring-
on the new jump without being
Just
scared.
bring one.
Has to do the
Yeah.
jump on the new jump.
I get to wear the GoPro. I get to wear the GoPro. I get to wear the GoPro.
Boom!
You lying.
No, I'm not.
Who else?
Okay.
Mm.
I don't like this place.
Oh, love me one. So you click that one.
Safe.
Boom! We each have one right now. Uh-huh.
Safe.
Where?
Safe.
Mm-hmm. Fair.
Boom.
Mm.
That's where the keys are for, or both of them are, I think.
Fair. I'm gonna lose.
Unless you
Which
don't
key did
pick
you
one. Safe.
Okay.
Boom!
Safe.
Oh, whatever that one. Babe.
Bro.
Mm. Mm. I'm gonna go pro. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with friends. Bye guys.